Good morning, Wonderland. Kelly here. Once again, I find myself with some time to kill in the Richmond area. So I've come this morning to our Garland Dodd Park at Point of Rocks, which is in the town of Chester, in Chesterfield County, which is where I live. But this park is a little far afield. It's in a kind of a far part of Chesterfield County that I don't get to very often. So anyway, come here for a little hike. There's some nice forest. You can see where I am right now, and I'm hearing some birds already, so that's good. And there's a nice marshy wetland area with a boardwalk through it as well. So hoping to see some good stuff. I've come today to work with the R7 and the 100 to 500 millimeter L lens, and I don't think I've done a video about that combo per se. It's a little bit of a weird combo, being a more affordable crop sensor body and a pricey lens. But I took it out yesterday to Powhatan State Park and got some good birds and stuff out there. But and I'll show you some of those as we go. But I don't know, it fell short a little bit somehow, so I wanted to bring it out and really intentionally test it out. So far, the forest has been kind of a dud, but I'm gonna head out here into the boardwalk over the marshy area. And I'm seeing some birds flitting around out there, probably mostly red-winged blackbirds, but could be something interesting. We'll take a look. Just doing some droning, which you've probably seen some of already. I'll show you some more. Not bad, nice day for it, nice spot for it. Haven't been droning as much as I would like to or should. I feel like my confidence is still a little iffy. So this was a nice successful flight, happy to say. Hopefully got some good stuff. So got to make this video worth it, because so far I haven't really gotten many birds, one or two, but not many. So, gonna look for some more, try to make it worthwhile. On we go. In this spot, we've got some bumblebees bumblebeeing around, so I was trying to get some bees in flight shots. See how that comes out, if they're any good. Now, when I'm out birding these days, I like to use the Merlin app on my phone quite a bit. I have it listen to the birds it's hearing and identify them, and I don't know exactly how accurate it is. It seems pretty good, but at least that lets me know what I'm looking for bird-wise. And now and then it'll spit one out that I'm like, never even heard of that bird. Like today it heard a black-throated blue warbler. Never heard of that one. And I think I saw one, but it flew off before I could shoot it in the face, as my YouTube friend Brent Hall likes to say. So yeah, onward we travel. This is kind of a big loop trail with a lot of little side spurs and whatnot, so should see some good stuff hopefully still. Future Kelly breaking in. I really didn't see much else that day at Point of Rocks Park, but
the day before, a couple days before, I was at Powhatan State Park, as I mentioned, with the same kit, so the R7 and the 100 to 500, and I got some more pretty decent bird shots there, so let me throw in a little slideshow of those now.
Well, I heard some more stuff, saw some more stuff, didn't really get to shoot a whole lot more stuff. Nothing was really cooperating today, and that's the way it goes sometimes. At least I got a nice walk on a nice day. Yeah, I didn't really do enough photographically to be able to fulfill my intention, which was really commenting on the R7 with the 100 to 500. So we'll save that for another day. Hopefully a more productive day, a longer day. I really didn't have a lot of time, and it's the wrong part of the day to see a whole lot. So is what it is, as I like to say. So hope you're having a good day wherever you are. Till next time, be kind to yourself, take care of each other. Don't forget to be awesome. Get out and wander. Till next time.